Did your well get flooded recently? Floods can be devastating, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake, and a water well is no exception. When a well gets flooded, it can get contaminated with bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that can be harmful to your health. But don't worry, there's a way to restore your well to its former glory, and it involves a process called disinfection. Disinfection involves the use of a chlorine solution to kill any harmful pathogens that might be present in your well. So how does one go about this process? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through it. First, you need to prepare. Ensure you have protective gear such as gloves and safety glasses. You'll also need a garden hose, a funnel, and chlorine bleach. The bleach should be unscented and have a sodium hypochlorite concentration of 5 to 6%. Next, you need to determine the amount of bleach to use. This depends on the depth and diameter of your well. As a rule of thumb, use 1 quart of bleach for every 50 feet of water in the well. Now it's time to add the bleach. Connect one end of the garden hose to an outdoor faucet and put the other end into the well casing. Open the faucet until you can smell chlorine coming from the water in the hose. Then pour the correct amount of bleach into the well using the funnel. After that, turn on every water tap in your home until you smell chlorine. This ensures that the bleach circulates through the entire system. Once you smell chlorine at each tap, turn them off. Let the chlorine sit in the system for at least 12 hours, but not more than 24 hours. This dwell time allows the chlorine to kill any pathogens present. After the dwell time, it's time to flush the system. Connect the garden hose to an outdoor faucet and let the water run until you can't smell chlorine anymore. Do the same for each tap in your home. Finally, wait for a week and then contact Soft Pro Water Systems to have your water tested by a certified laboratory to ensure that it's safe to drink. To recap, here are the main steps in disinfecting your well after flooding. 1. Prepare your materials. 2. Determine the amount of bleach needed. 3. Add the bleach to the well. 1. Circulate the bleach through the system. 2. Let the chlorine sit for 12 to 24 hours. 1. Flush the system. 2. Have your water tested. Disinfecting your well after a flood might seem like a daunting task, but it's a crucial one. It's a relatively straightforward process that can ensure your water supply remains safe and clean. Remember, when it comes to your health and safety, it's always better to be safe than sorry.